Business of delivering restaurant meals to the home is undergoing rapid change as new online platforms race to capture markets and customers across the Americas, Asia, Europe, and the Middle East. Although these new internet platforms are attracting considerable investment and high valuations, already 5 are valued at more than $1 billion. Little real knowledge about market dynamics, growth potential, or customer behavior exists. Research from McKinsey, based on a 6-month study covering 16 countries around the globe, provides insight into this fast-changing market. Worldwide, the market for food delivery stands at €83 billion, or 1% of the total food market, and 4% of food sold through restaurants and fast food chains. It has already matured in most countries, with an overall annual growth rate estimated at just 3.5% for the next 5 years. By far, the most common form of delivery is the traditional model, in which the consumer places an order with the local pizza parlor or Chinese restaurant, although many other kinds of restaurants, particularly in urban areas, now offer delivery, and waits for the restaurant to bring the food to the door. This traditional category has a 90% market share, and most of those orders, almost 3/4, are still placed by phone. However, as in so many other sectors, the rise of digital technology is reshaping the market. Consumers accustomed to shopping online through apps or websites with maximum convenience and transparency increasingly expect the same experience when it comes to ordering dinner. 2 types of online platforms have risen to fill that void. The first type is the aggregators, which emerged roughly 15 years ago. The second is the new delivery players, which appeared in 2013. Both allow consumers to compare menus, scan and post reviews, and place orders from a variety of restaurants with a single click. The aggregators, which are part of the traditional delivery category, simply take orders from customers and route them to restaurants, which handle the delivery themselves. In contrast, the new delivery players build their own logistics networks, providing delivery for restaurants that don't have their own drivers. Aggregators build on the traditional model for food delivery, offering access to multiple restaurants through a single online portal. By logging into the site or the app, consumers can quickly compare menus, prices, and reviews from peers. The aggregators'
online food delivery services like Just Eat and Grubhub facilitate online ordering and home delivery of food prepared away from home. It is poorly understood how these services are used and by whom. This study investigated the prevalence of online food delivery service use and socio-demographic characteristics of customers in and across Australia, Canada, Mexico, the UK, and the USA. We analyzed online survey data, N equals 19,378, from the International Food Policy Study, conducted in 2018. We identified respondents who reported any online food delivery service use in the past 7 days, and calculated the frequency of use and number of meals ordered. We investigated whether odds of any online food delivery service use in the past 7 days differed by socio-demographic characteristics using adjusted logistic regression. Overall,